Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the webcast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Dollar rupee ka jo picture is completely messy because the factors are all over the place. First, let's look at the currency factors. Dollar index is flat, which should be neutral. But Asian currencies are strong, जैसे Chinese currency और South Korean currency, जिसके कारण एक positive impact आ रहा है on the Indian rupee. Oil prices are holding near the 2018 highs of close to 87, which is negative for the rupee. But equity market का picture पूरा mixed है. Global equities are strong, but Indian equities are down. इसके कारण FPI outflow है, which is negative for the rupee. Corporate demand भी है for dollars, जो एक support दे रहा है dollar rupee को at lower levels. तो what has happened over the past 2 trading days is it has become extremely choppy. It is not being able to जो breakouts आ रहा है on the charts, that is not sustaining. Like yesterday we saw twice it gave a bullish breakout, but it failed. Especially आज का जो opening होगा, it will be lower, so we have to count that the two breakouts were a failure. नीचे का level में भी it is not sustaining for the various factors. So it's a very choppy kind of situation. और ये हफ्ता IPO flows भी है नाइका IPO के लिए. So how to trade? Futures will be difficult to trade in a choppy market because stops will get continuously hit, जो हुआ है कल. So better is to focus on options strategies. Like somebody wants to take a bit of risk, they can sell a 75 ka straddle, which is expiring on 29th of October. That's currently around 31-32 paisa. अगर risk कम लेना है, then one can even sell 74, 75 and 75-25 ka strangle, which would be around 14 paisa. So either you can sell a straddle or you can sell a strangle. Expiry रहेगा 29th of October, which is a weekly option. That's the coming Friday. इसके अलावा अभी फ़िलहाल फ्यूचर्स को अवॉइड करना चाहिए unless we give out a specific trading call intraday because of the choppy conditions. International currencies के लिए Euro INR will be under pressure क्योंकि वहाँ यूरोप में हो क्या रहा है कि there is on one hand inflation is high, which should be making the central bank hawkish और करेंसी के लिए पॉजिटिव, बट वो हो नहीं पा रहा है बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ इज वीक. सो बिकॉज ऑफ राइजिंग कोविड केसेस एक तरफ, दूसरे तरफ हाई इन्फ्लेशन इज हिटिंग द कंज्यूमर वगैरह वगैरह के कारण सेंट्रल बैंक इज गोइंग टू पे मोर अटेंशन टू ग्रोथ दैन इन्फ्लेशन, जिसके कारण यूरो आईएनआर विल बी अंडर प्रेशर. और यूरोप से इकोनॉमिक डेटा भी काफ़ी ख़राब थे ओवर द पास्ट कपल ऑफ वीक्स, इंक्लूडिंग yesterday the IFO business sentiment. Or GBP INR is going to be bullish, so buy on dips is advised on GBP INR, sell on rise is advised on Euro INR. Please do not forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel where we provide updates. उसके साथ intraday trading calls भी. So it's a very informative place for you to get a complete idea about how to trade currencies, which factors to look at. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.